Hey guys, dctmakes here. Just doing a quick video on lights that I put in the garage from Habor Freight. Not paid promotion or anything. I don't like the paid promotion stuff, but I had 8 fluorescent tube lights in 2 banks, so 16 fluorescent lights here in this part of the garage, from about half of the garage, 25 foot by 24 foot, half of the garage, one light up here, one light over here. And I replaced 8 with 1 here, and it's going to screw with the camera a bit, but there's 1. There's the other. Fantastic lighting. Not so much like direct task lighting like on the bandsaw or the drill press or the chop saw or anything like that, but just for generalized lighting, fantastic compared to, like I say, theoretically 16 fluorescent lights was nothing like this at all. And so you see over here, so all bright and shiny over here where I work normally, right here, and then slightly grading off darker over here. But I bought 2 more and I'm going to pop them on. This is 25 by 24. There's 1. Here comes the other. Completely different shop. Completely different. Fantastic lighting for $19 a piece with a coupon. $19 a piece. And I have the 2 of them on all the time when I come in the garage. They're just the normal light that switches on when I turn the lights on in the garage. These 2 more for, table saw stuff I'm doing over here, blah blah blah, working on the Jeep, whatever. But fantastic lights. Just thought I'd show you guys. It's well worth a buy. Again, Habor Freight. That's it. Happy New Year. Bye.